So I'm here at BJ's Wholesale Club, and they have the 124 Motormax Timeless Legends. Some of these look pretty nice. I got a Pagani right here. That's nice. There's a Corvette down there. Mustang. Ford Raptor. And that's a Dodge Challenger Hellcat. So here's a list of them. I guess the cars they have available. You guys can pause if you want to take a look at that. There's a nice Aston Martin. The wheels look pretty bad on this. They don't look nice. Let's see what else I got. Colorado, BMW. Let's see if they got anything back here. So I've gone through this and it seems to be pretty much the same thing. It's on the top. There's a few different nice cars like this Corvette. There's a BMW. That one's pretty nice. There's a Pagani. It's okay. Have a few different Ford trucks. Mustang. So there seems to be about 26 different models, I guess. So if you guys are looking for this scale size, they have them here at BJ's Wholesale Club, 124th, $11.99. Not bad.